Okay, so Mr. Riffle here, hopefully solving the civics flash problem once and for all. Here's an example of you going into a tutorial that uses the Flash plugin. And after you click play, I'll close these up here so you can see what happens. You'll see this message, and I'm using Chrome for this demonstration. It says Flash is not available, so click OK. Now, then it may or may not pop up some of it, but you're missing the big part in the middle. What you need to do is go up here to the little lock up here and right click. Now for mine, since I've been messing with it, Flash will show here. Yours will not the first time. It'll just show these three. So click on Settings, like I just did there. And again, that was, in case you missed that there, that was right click, Site Settings, okay, and open in a new tab. And you need to scroll down to where it says Flash, and it will say Block by default. Click that and click Allow. Alright, that's all you need to do. You can close that tab and go back here, and it might ask you to reload the page here. If it doesn't, you can click the circular arrow up here, either one, and we should get the page with all of the Flash plugins. Sorry about that. And there it is. That is the that's what you need, and it should do that for all of the rest of the tutorials once you do that one time, anything from Edmentum. But in case it doesn't, you can always do that again. Just right click, Site Settings, Flash, Allow.